Dreaming of owning a property abroad? Whether it's a vacation home, a rental investment, or a permanent move, buying property in another country can be an exciting adventure, but it's also a complex process. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to purchasing property abroad, covering everything from legal considerations to financing options. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and choose your destination. The first step in buying property abroad is deciding where you want to invest. Consider factors like the local economy, real estate market trends, and lifestyle preferences. It's also important to understand the legal requirements for foreign buyers in your chosen country. For example, some countries in Europe, like Spain, have streamlined processes for EU citizens, while others may have restrictions or additional requirements for non-residents. Step 2. Understand legal considerations. Once you've chosen your destination, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the local property laws. This includes understanding ownership rights, taxes, and any restrictions on foreign ownership. Hiring a local attorney who specializes in real estate can be a smart move to ensure that all legal aspects are covered. In some countries, like Japan, the process is straightforward and similar to the US, while in others, like Thailand, there may be restrictions on foreign ownership, particularly for land. Step 3. Secure financing options. Financing a property abroad can differ significantly from your home country. Start by exploring whether you can get a mortgage from a local bank or if you need to finance through your home country. Keep in mind that interest rates, down payment requirements, and loan terms may vary. For example, in Europe, it's common to find lower interest rates compared to some Asian markets. Additionally, you might need to transfer funds internationally, so it's wise to be aware of exchange rates and potential fees. Step 4. Navigate the buying process. Now that you've secured financing, it's time to navigate the buying process. This usually involves making an offer, signing a purchase agreement, and paying a deposit. Be aware that the process can differ significantly between countries. In France, for example, the process is heavily regulated, and a notary oversees the transaction to ensure it complies with the law. In contrast, in countries like Mexico, it's essential to do thorough due diligence, as property rights can be more complex. Step 5. Understand cultural nuances and pitfalls. Cultural differences can play a big role in property transactions. Be prepared for differences in communication styles, negotiation tactics, and even the pace of the buying process. In Italy, for instance, negotiations can be more relaxed and the process might take longer, while in Hong Kong, things can move very quickly. Also, be aware of common pitfalls like hidden fees, unclear property titles, or unfamiliar legal terms. Avoid these by working closely with local professionals who understand the market. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to buying property abroad. From choosing your destination to navigating legalities and understanding cultural nuances, these steps will help you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on international real estate. And if you're considering buying property abroad, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way.